So today I am going to show you how you can add a logo into your brand kit. However, be aware that after adding a logo to your brand kit, these logos will be applied to every single one of your simple booklets. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need to be on your dashboard, and from your dashboard, look at the menu at the top left and click on Brand Kit. From Brand Kit, go to Logo and click on that. The process of uploading a logo to your brand kit isn't that different from the Design tab, but just in case, I'll walk you through it. So the first thing you need to realize is that there are 4 different tabs on the logo option. You can add your logo into your nav bar, you can add it into your menu, your background, and even your browser tab. And to begin the process of uploading your image, all you need to do is click on Upload Logo, select your image, and open it. And it'll be converted into a logo and applied to every single one of your simple booklets. I'm going to add 2 big logos just to make sure that you can see what I mean. So now that I'm done adding my logos to my brand kit, let's open up some simple booklets in Preview. So as you can see, the logos now appear on every single simple booklet because I've added them into my brand kit. But other than that, that's it. That's how you add a logo into your brand kit. Thank you for listening.